So search for igot-karmayogi in Google application. You will get the first link of igotkarmayogi website. Click on this link. Then you have to click on login. After that a screen will open. You have to select login with OTP. You have to fill up your phone number and request OTP. After that you will receive an OTP and you have to submit that. After just a few seconds it will open this tab. Now you have to go to this created collections and now search for Karmyogi Prarambh module. Then you have to select that. After this there will be 7 courses. You have to complete all the 7 courses one by one, and duration is also mentioned on every course. So you have to select one course. After that you have to go its content tab and then enroll for this course. This is the content tab and you have to click on this enroll. Then you have to complete every module for this code of conduct, that is 25 minutes, and then assignments.